Hello traders. Today I would like to have a look to the news for coming week. It means from 27th of July till 31, which is the Friday. And we will see it together, and also we will have a look to the chart in order to see what is the possible scenarios for gold. This week it seems that a week with a lot of news. Monday there are not so news regarding USD, but in Tuesday, oh, it's good. Tuesday also it could be not so affected news. But Wednesday, it seems that we have a Federal Reserve status. So it may affect our trade. So we should take care of our trade in this time, which is 9 p.m. in let's say Europe. So I believe that this time we don't have a lot of opportunity in order to look for. But if someone prefer to, let's say, arrange their trade according to the news, it could be a good opportunity also. Thursday we have a news of USD. It's a GDP. It will affect also the chart. So also you should be careful regarding the trade in this time. And Friday, it's 31. Friday is the last day of this month, so also the monthly candle will be closed. Not a lot of news regarding USD, but as it's the last day of the month, so it may affect the monthly candle. We should take care of that also. So let's come back to the charts. If we want to review the gold charts, I already had a look to the chart and I would like to see it in first maybe not, but in order to have a look to it monthly. If we want just to see the monthly information, here we have the monthly candle. We can see it, and the monthly candle shows that after a huge downtrend movements, the status of this monthly candle at the moment shows that the market think about some correction or some rotation. So we should think about it. It would be more clarified at the end of the month. It means 31 of July. So I will come back to the daily charts. Here in daily charts, we have a information. I believe that it could help us. So here we have a leg. It means a bearish leg that showed that the intention to be continued, but was not able to break the former leg strongly. Then it made some correction again, try to break this area, this zone around 4,000, but again no success. We see that it's repeated several times. I will consider it as the seller try to break this zone or area around for 3,983 to 3,965, but they are not successful on that. So I will consider this situation as a you see that it's almost a range situation. I will consider it as a let's say liquidation of the seller while the buyer are entered to the markets. So I go to 4 hours and clarify my scenario. In 4 hours, what I expect is to see the reaction. Price now is around 4,050. I have two possibilities. One of them is to see the reaction of the price to this trend line, and if it shows the rotation from the trend line, I'm thinking about this scenario. And other scenario that may could happen is to from here 4,050 to come to this let's say trend line, which is not confirmed yet. Confirm it, go up, confirm this area, and go toward this area. These are my scenarios for coming week, but the invalidity of this scenario is to see that the price is able to break this trend line and close under these two level. It means better to say that break this area strongly and close under 3,950. If it's happened, we can say that the buyer doesn't have more power in order to change this range and take more liquidity in order to continue the upper movement. So for me, two scenarios available. One is from this trend line to have the break in this level is 4,088 almost. Come back to it and go up to approve this trend line. The second one is to come down more to reach more liquidity and approve this trend line, and then to go up, show the stability above this zone, and then to reach the upper level around 4,170 and 4,200. And invalidity of both this scenario is breaking, let's say a strong break around 3,960. We will see each other daily in order to confirm which scenario is still available and which scenario we can reject it and it doesn't work. Wish you a very nice trading week and see you tomorrow.